morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pork estofado. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 1/2 kilo na liempo, 2 pirasong carrots, 2 pirasong saging na saba, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 2 pieces calamansi, 1 kutsarang brown sugar, 240 ml na pineapple juice. Meron tayo ditong pork knorr cube, and of course gagamit tayo ng cooking oil, and then salt and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, halina samahan nyo ako sa aking pagluluto. Sa isang mainit na pan, naglagay tayo ng kunting cooking oil, and then ipapan fry natin yung ating saging. Ayan. Baliktarin lang natin siya ka-friendship hanggang maging golden brown yung ating saging. Friendship, golden brown na yung ating saging. So what we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa pan, and then i-transfer natin sa isang strainer to remove the excess oil. After that, ganun din ang gagawin natin sa ating carrots. Ipapan-fry natin siya, baliktarin hanggang sa golden brown yung ating carrots or maging brown yung kanyang edge. Yan, okay na yung ating carrots ka-friendship. So what we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa pan, and then ito transfer sa isang strainer to remove the excess oil. Pan, ipiprito natin yung ating marinated na pork liempo. So, ipiprito lang natin siya ka-friendship hanggang maging golden brown yung ating pork liempo. Friendship, golden brown na yung ating pork. So what we're going to do next is lagay lang natin siya sa kabilang side ng ating pan, and then isusutay natin yung ating garlic. And then dagdag na rin natin ang ating sibuyas. Then, mix na natin yung ating piniritong pork liempo. Idagdag na rin natin yung ating marinated friendship. Maglagay tayo ng konting tubig just to make sure na maluluto yung o maging malambot yung ating pork liempo. Okay. So, idagdag na rin natin yung ating knorr pork cube, ang ating sugar, then, dagdag tayo ng konting asin. Then, dagdag na rin tayo ng pepper. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship. Pakuluan natin hanggang maluto or maging malambot yung ating pork liempo. Chef, tingnan natin kung okay na yung ating or malambot na yung ating pork. So, ayan, okay na siya ka-French Chef. Malambot na siya. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating pineapple juice. Ayan, so pakuluan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-French Chef hanggang mag-evaporate yung ating pineapple juice. So, ayan. Balikan natin siya later. So, ayan ka-French Chef. Konti na lang yung ating sabaw. Or ang ating pineapple juice. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating na pan-fry na saging sa carrots. So, isa-simmer lang natin siya ka-French Chef ng at least 2 minutes and then ready for serving na siya. French Chef, what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our pork estofado. So, ayan, luto na siya ka-French Chef. Ready for serving na siya. Ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating pork estofado. So, ayan na siya ka-French Chef. Ka-French Chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang pork estofado natin sa araw na ito. Please hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tutok Mira at your service. Always remember that don't judge each day by the harvest theory, but by the seeds that you plant. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!